Welcome, my friends. As you all just saw what Abhay and me did in the car, which was rolling at a speed of 5 to 7, which is which is not easy. You make one mistake, you might damage yourself, and damaging yourself is not good. So, continuing the episodes of stretching and talking about subjects which today's day people need to know is questions when it comes to health, bodybuilding, fitnesses. What should I eat? What should I supplements should I take? How much weight should I pick up? Is my lower back going to be alright? And a lot of questions put together. What I answer my friends, and that's the reason when I had these problems and I met Abhay Baba, who taught me all the ways of avoiding accidents in weight training and stretching, because what happens is people stretch only for 5 seconds or 10 seconds or but no, we need to give a lot of time. Stretching is all about breathing properly, inhale, exhale, everything has the count, and the more you do it correctly is the more oxygen goes in your body and it benefits you. It's example what I tell with these guys is the more perfect ratio of fuel and air you get in a car is the best your car moves, and this is why cars are electronic today, is because what really matters is the correct amount of oxygen and the correct amount of fuel. So here we are using our body, which is also a vehicle, to talk about air ratios, carbon monoxide, and things like that, what our body goes through in this pollution environment. So here's are some of the remedies which are going to be shared by the masters of breathing in oxygen, clearing your nose, clearing your lungs, making your lower back strong, making your abs strong, making your hamstrings strong, and the list keeps continuing. So here it is, Abhay Baba is here. He's going to do some dynamic stretching, back asanas. So you all know that the teacher you all are going to follow in the coming time is a real strong guru. So here we go, Baba, if you can show us.
नमस्कार, मैं अभय योग। जिस तरह सूरज भाई ने बताया कि ऑटोमोबाइल और साइंस, इस तरह योग जो है आपके बॉडी को जस्ट लाइक बॉडी जो 4 व्हील कार, इसको साइंटिफिकली अलाइन करने पड़ते हैं आपके चेचिस, आपके स्पाइनल कॉलम, आपके ग्लैंड और आपके 5 elements and 7 chakras. It's a very deep science, but the perfect master give a perfect training. तो यहाँ पर नॉलेज के साथ में क्राफ्ट्समैन, वी कनेक्ट टू क्राफ्ट्समैन एंड महामुक्तेश्वर योगा। दिस इज अ डिजिटल योगा, ऑल लाइफ इज डिजिटल। तो इसमें आपको अलाइन करने हैं, आपको 50% सिंथेटिक वर्ल्ड एंड 50% कॉस्मोस, एंड अलाइन योर सिंपली बैलेंस लाइफ स्टाइल। रेडी टू स्टार्ट एक्सरसाइज एंड रॉकिंग लाइफ स्टाइल। आई शो यू जस्ट लाइक योर।
So here you all are going to witness something amazing, something which requires a lot of practice, something which he's been doing for years. It's taken him almost 20 years to put this art together, and it's an everyday practice. He trains almost 60 to 70 students at this point of time in his life, and most of them are